Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another quick and easy tutorial. Today is extremely quick. I want to make it quick and easy. It's a simple wrap. It's out there. It's been done so many times, but this is my version and I want to do it for you sisters so that you can see how quick and easy you can wrap a hijab using a rectangular shawl and you can be out the door in 2 minutes. That's it. We don't want to make this very long. It's quick and easy and we're going to do it in 2 minutes. Or maybe a little bit more because Naz likes to chat while she's doing this. But when you are doing it, you don't need to be talking, so you can have this wrap done in 2 minutes. So stay with me and really excited to show you. Let's get right into the tutorial. Now, as I said, it's a rectangular shawl and we're going to use a shorter side and a longer side. And I've said this before, I use these as scarves only because it gives comfort to you sisters, because a whole lot of my sisters have these scarves and a whole lot of you have them, so it makes it more comfortable for you when you're looking at a tutorial and you see, oh, I've got that, so let's see what Naz does with it. So today is, I want to be like this, quick and out the door. So we're going to do this very quickly. It's a simple wrap. That's all it is, a simple wrap. And what I've done is I've folded the scarf a little bit there, just a little bit, and because it's pretty wide, I've got my ninja on to cover my neck, and I'm going to bring this, see here, I've got this much and I've got the length of it on the other side. So what we're going to do is just bring that to the very end, put some pressure and kind of nicely fold this in here, very nicely fold this in here, and we're going to give it a safety pin right here, and you can use whatever you have. Got that nice and pinned, nice and snug. What we're going to do is just basically bring that around with a little bit of, just go a little bit light when you put it. Sometimes what you do is put your hand here when you wrap it so that you have room here. And we've done a simple wrap, quick and easy, and that was the idea. We wanted to make this just a 2-minute video. That's all it is. A 2 minutes video, and we are done and we're ready to go. We've got coverage in the front, it's sitting nicely. We've got the most important thing, my dear viewers, is just to wrap it here as comfortable as you can handle it, because some sisters like it really tight, some can't handle it tight at all. So what you need to do is wrap it whatever makes you comfortable, okay? And just take a look at the back. We've got it nice in the back, it's nice, and we are done. We're ready to go. My dear viewers, all I wanted to show you today was a simple wrap. We don't have any pins because this fabric is nice. It keeps it nice and snug. You don't need to pin it. And even here, if you don't want to pin it, you don't need to pin it. If you wrap it really snugly, it will stay in place. So how was that? Simple, easy, elegant, very beautiful, and very presentable. That's it. And it was really nice, quick and easy, and you've got coverage. That's it. You've got coverage in the front, and it's simple and easy, and you're ready to go. Oh, my dear friends, I hope you like that. It was just a simple wrap, simple wrap. So I hope you're going to try it, because it doesn't take much effort to do that. So please do try it. And if you like what you see, please share it with your friends and family. And please leave a comment for me on the bottom. You know, it helps me when you leave a comment and I can read what you're thinking. It really helps. And if I respond to everyone, it may take some time sometimes, but I do respond to the comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Listen, there's something there for each one of you, and all of you will benefit from it. So if you like the contents of my platform, please do hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and tick off the all so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Now, until we meet again, please do stay safe, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Please follow the rules. Don't be, you know, partying. This is not the time to party. We need to do our bit to get better, to stay safe, keep this disease under control, and then we will party again. There's, you know, inshallah, by the mercies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, COVID-19 will go away at some point. But for now, it's here, and we need to do our bit to take our precautions. So stay safe. This is Naz saying Assalamu alaikum.